what HTML does use for. So if you are a beginner, so watch the video till the end. In this video I will teach you and you will learn very easily HTML. So let's start. I'm creating here one file which is index.html. First you should to make a folder, create a folder and open that with VS Code, and here I'm creating a file which name is index.html. index.html. We have create our folder or file. Now I'll press Shift and 1. Press Shift and 1, then enter. You can see this is how we write HTML code. So here we have some tags, which is HTML tag, and the second one is header tag, and the third one is body tag. Whatever we want to display on the screen on HTML on the browser, so we should write it inside the body tag. So if I want to write some paragraph or some heading, so I should write it inside the body tag to display it over the browser. So let me write something inside the body. So first you should know we have whatever we want to display on the browser, we should write it inside the tag. And tag, we have tag in the form of pairs. One is opening tag and the other one is closing tag. Opening tag have we can write properties and its value inside the opening tag. Opening tag have attributes and its value, and closing tag denote that our text or our paragraph or content ending over there. So let me write something. First I should write some tag, enter some tag. So let me write, I'm writing here h1 tag, which we use for header, and it is the largest and biggest one. So let me write here something. Hello Saif. I have write hello Saif inside the h1 tag. So let's see it on the browser how it's look. So after that you should come over there your folder which you have already opened and the VS Code, and open this index.html file. So you will see whatever you have inside the body tag that should be displayed here on the browser. So I have written hello Saif inside the body tag and inside the header or h1 tag, so it displayed on the browser in this form, hello save. So let me write something else and change the tag. Let me write h2 tag. Let's see what happened. I'm writing the same word, hello save, and let's see what's happened to it. You can see the first one is little bold and the second one is h2 tag, so it's small and font size from the first one. The first one is bigger and high font size than the second one. So this is the difference between tag we use according to our purpose. If we want to use the highest one, so we use h1, and further if we want to reduce the font size, so we can use other tags, h1 to h6. So this is h1. Let me comment it. Control plus question mark. So let me write some paragraph over here. So you will see that I'm writing p tag over here. So let's see what's happened. I'm writing something inside the paragraph. Hello world. We are here to learn HTML. So let me refresh the page and you can see, hello world, we are here to learn HTML. I have written it inside the body tag and a paragraph tag, p tag, so it displayed over here on the browser in a paragraph form. So this is very simple and very easy. You can learn it very easily. So this is just for beginners. If you have any question, so you can ask in the comment box below. Feel free to contact us if you have any query, so you can contact us and we will help you. See you in next lesson. Thank you so much.